Jai Hind everybody. Today I am starting with question number 5 of exercise 11.2 and this is the question कि draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. This is line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Taking A and B as centers, draw two circles of radii 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. Now, taking A and B as a center, draw the circles of radii 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. This is the circle drawn of radius 4 centimeter. Okay. And B as a center of radius 3 centimeter. Is it there? These are the circle drawn of radii 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Now question is this: construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Now you have construct the tangents to this circle from point A, and for this circle tangent to this larger circle from the point B. So now what we will do, draw the perpendicular bisector of AB to find its midpoint M. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AB to find its midpoint M. So now we will cut off the arc here on the above side and the downward side, and we will get the perpendicular bisector of this. Is it there? And this is the point M. This is the point M. Is it there? And then we will draw a circle. Now this is step number 4. Taking M as a center, radius is equal to either MA or MB. MA or MB. Draw a circle to intersect larger circle which is at the left hand side. Taking M as a center and radius MA or MB, draw a circle to intersect the larger circle which is at the left hand side. At points P and Q. Okay, and a smaller circle which is at the right hand side at points R and S. Is it there? Now we will take this M as a center and we will draw a circle to intersect this. So in what way? Just look here. What is our construction step? Taking M as a center and radius MA or MB, draw a circle to intersect the larger circle at points P and Q. This is the larger circle intersecting at P and Q, and the smaller circle at R and S. R and S. Is it there? Now just look here. Now just said, look at these points. This, now we will join this. What we have joined? BP and BQ. Join BP, BQ. And just look here. This AR, this is of length 4 centimeter radii. AR and AS. AR and AS. So this one BP, BQ, AR and AS are the required tangents. Now look at the justification. Okay. Just look at the triangles. A, P, B and AQR. What is the length of AP? This is the radius, 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And what is the length of AB? That is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So look at in triangle APB. APB. This angle will be 90 degree because this is the radius and this is the tangent, and radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So you have to find BP. So what will happen? This BP square plus AP square, this will be equal to AB square. So BP square can be calculated AB square minus AP square, that is 8 square minus 4 square. And BP square is 8 8 ja 64 and minus 64 minus 16, that is how much? 50. So therefore BP will be under root 50, or this is 5 under root 2 centimeter. And similarly in triangle AQB, AQB, this BQ, will also be 5 under root 2 centimeter. Is it there? Now just look here. For the length of this tangent, which one? In triangle ABS and ABR. Now in triangle ABS, just look here. What is the length of BS? This is the radius of the smaller circle, and AB is again 8 centimeter. So what will happen? This AS, Pythagoras theorem we will use. This angle will be 90 degree. And what is the length of AS? AS square will be equal to how much? Just look here. AB square minus BS square. So that is 8 square minus 3 square, that is 64 minus 9, that is 55. So what will be the length of AS? Under root 55 centimeter. Similarly, in triangle this one ARB, this AR will also come under root 55 centimeter. Under root 55 centimeter. Is it okay? So now what we have? This BP is equal to BQ. BP is equal to BQ, and AR is equal to AS. AR is equal to AS. Yani length of tangents from the external point are equal, and also in this smaller circle. So thus the construction is verified. Now just look at question number 6. This is the question. Draw a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 6, BC is equal to 8, and angle B is equal to 90. You are given, let ABC is a triangle in which AB is 6, BC 8, and angle B is 90. Just look there. Suppose this is the triangle. This is the triangle ABC. Is it there? This is the triangle ABC. Next is BD is perpendicular from B on AC. This is BD. This is perpendicular on AC. Is it there? Just look at the construction step. Draw the triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, and angle B is 90, and BD is perpendicular to AC. Next is the circle through BCD is drawn through points B, C and D. A circle is drawn. So how we'll draw that circle? We will draw the perpendicular bisectors of the sides of either of the sides BC, BD or CD. Is it there? We will draw the perpendicular bisectors of either of the two sides BC, BD or CD. So I am doing the perpendicular bisectors of BC and CD here. And how? Just look here. Here. Is it there? Huh? This one. Is it there? This was the point D. Extra part we are omitting. Is it there? This was point B. And now the perpendicular bisector of CD. Just look here. This is the CD. We will take more than half radius and is it there? So just look at both the perpendicular bisectors, they are intersecting at here. Suppose this is the point O. To draw the perpendicular bisectors of BC and CD to intersect at point O. This O is the center for this circle which will pass through B, C and D. O is the center of circle which passes through the points. Which one? B, C and D. B, C and D. Is it there? Then we can draw the circle. So just is it there? So now we can draw a circle through points B, C and D. Is it there? Now this was point C. This was point D. Is it there? And this is point B. Now what is the question? Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Now from A, we have to construct the tangents to this circle. So just look here. I am writing this point O here. This is the center of the circle. Now just in the previous questions, we have to construct the tangents to this circle from this point A. A is here just as an external point. So what we will do then? We will join OA. We will join OA and find its midpoint. Now this is step number 3. Join OA and draw its perpendicular bisector to find its midpoint M. And how we will do this? Just look here. This is OA. Is it there? Now its midpoint. How? We will put the compass here and take more than half radius. Is it there? Is it there? So these are the arcs. This is the midpoint M. And then we will take the radius MO or MA. Next step. Taking M as a center or radius is equal to what? Either MO or MA. MO or MA. Draw a circle through points A and O. So see here, this is the circle now. This is the circle. This is the circle. Which one? This one. And to intersect the given circle, taking M as a center and radius M or MA, draw a circle through points A and O to intersect the previous. Or this one, this saffron colors, or this, the previous circle at, to intersect the previous circle at points, you can just give the name P, and B is already here. At points P and B. Point B is already here. P and B. Now join AB and AP. This AB and AP are the required tangents. This one, these are the required tangents. Is it okay? So that's all for today. Thank you very much.